Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Calendar and creating the event. Make sure you're logged into the account you'll use. Add a clear title, choose date and time, then invite guests by email so invites send automatically. Once those basics are set, click Add Conferencing to expose options. You're preparing the event to accept an external Zoom link rather than Google Meet. This first step ensures attendees and timing are fixed before you attach the Zoom meeting details for seamless access. Now you create the Zoom meeting in the Zoom desktop app or web portal and copy the join URL. Do this first so the link is ready. In the calendar event, choose Add Conferencing and pick Custom Conferencing, then paste the Zoom join link into the URL field and name it Zoom so guests recognize it. Also paste any dial-in info into the description and mark the host or co-host. Once done, double-check time zones and attendee list to prevent confusion later. You finish by saving the event, which sends invites containing the Zoom link. Make sure the confirmation email lists the correct join details. After sending, monitor RSVP, and if someone reports access issues, confirm they have the right link and that your Zoom meeting settings allow participants to join. If the link fails, regenerate the Zoom meeting or copy and paste the corrected URL into the event. Then save and resend. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.